As online privacy returns to the spotlight with the introduction of the Online Safety Act, new data from Cantor Media TGI reveals a paradox. That is, while consumers are increasingly concerned about how their personal information is handled, many remain willing to share it if it leads to more engaging and personalized advertising. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. According to a report, 61% of UK adults now worry their data entered online may not remain secure. At the same time, acceptance of cookies for free content has fallen to 49% in 2025 from 54% in 2022, reflecting a growing cautiousness. Yet, personalization is proving a powerful counterweight. One in five adults, that is 20%, are now comfortable sharing data for personalized TV ads, up from 14% in 2022. Similarly, 22% of adults find online ads entertaining, almost doubling since 2021. Even among privacy concerned consumers, nearly 19% still share data for personalized ads, underscoring the pull of relevance and quality. The report also highlights brand specific trends. Sky Glass TV owners and Apple TV Plus subscribers with ads are significantly more likely to share personal data, while Toshiba owners and Netflix ad tier users show little enthusiasm. The message is clear: privacy matters, but relevance and entertainment drive acceptance. Let's look into today's headlines. Google warns 2.5 billion Gmail users to change passwords after data breach. After reports of a massive data breach came to light, Google had issued a warning to Gmail users. Although the breach took place in June, Google acknowledged the incident in August and began notifying affected users soon after. The data of up to 2.5 billion people was exposed as the company urged users to change their passwords immediately. The breach gave a hacker group known as Shiny Hunters access to information such as content details, company names, and email addresses. Apple partners with Jio to bring encrypted RCS messaging to iPhone 17 series. Ahead of the launch of iPhone 17 series on September 9th, Apple has joined hands with Reliance Jio in India to roll out rich communication services, that is RCS, on iPhones. The move is expected to change how iPhone users in the country exchange messages. RCS, first introduced by GSMA in 2007, offers users a range of messaging features that traditional SMS lacks. It allows file transfers, read receipts, typing indicators, and group conversations while running on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Microsoft announces its first in-house models, that is MAI-1 Preview and MAI Voice 1. Microsoft's AI division, led by Mustafa Suleyman, has announced two new AI models, that is MAI-1 Preview and MAI Voice 1. In a blog post, the tech giant said that while MAI-1 Preview offers a glimpse of future offerings inside Copilot, whereas MAI Voice 1 can generate a 60-second long audio clip in just 1 second using a single GPU, making it one of the most efficient speech systems available to date. The AI head says that the company will focus on consumer-centric AI models. Threads tests new feature to share long-form text on the platform. Meta-owned Threads is testing a new feature that makes it easy to share long-form text on the social network. The feature lets users attach a block of text to a post instead of creating a thread of several different posts when looking to share more in-depth thoughts and ideas. Threads competitor X already offers a way for users to share long-form content on the platform with articles, but it is accessible only to premium subscribers. India's first chip assembling and testing line facility launched in Gujarat. The Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said that India's first Made in India chip will be produced at CG Semi's outsourced semiconductor assembly and testing, that is OSAT, that is OSAT pilot facility in Sanand in Gujarat. After the inauguration of the OSAT facility yesterday, the minister said that the facility line will produce 0.5 million chips per day. The production in the plant will begin soon. The pilot line is important as it will help in qualifying the chips for customer approval and get them ready for commercial production. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.